Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Monday, December 8th. What do we got going on today? So you look at Forex Factory and you look here and it says no US information. So no news today that's scheduled. That being said, we do have some bond auctions that will be at 11:30, but that is it. Very, very little going on. Another bond auction also at 1 p.m. So really nothing going on. Looking to my left to another news source to find that information because it is not on here on forexfactory.com. Moving on, taking a look at the charts. So we have this bull flag pattern, and it looks like it's breaking out. For all practical purposes, it has broken out of that pattern. We'll have to wait and see if there's any follow through. Volume has been absolutely anemic the first week of December. Ugly, ugly, ugly volume. Yeah, maybe it's just holidays. I don't know, but certainly doesn't bode well for this little move to the upside. Does not look like it's being confirmed at all by volume. Looking at all still above the moving averages, still bullish, short term bullish, medium term slightly negative, long term bullish. So yeah, not much has changed. Moving on, look at inventory. Friday was interesting. We had a positive price action. We had negative inventory. Every time we have a divergence between these, it makes me go sit up and wake up and go, what's going on? What is going on here? Because we have more people on balance selling than the price would say is going up. Price is going up. You'd think there'd be more inventory. Inventory would be expanding. Not the case. This is always a warning sign. What to do with it just means that there's a lot of people that went into the weekend and said, you know what, I'm not taking the risk. And they exited their positions even though price was going up. Yeah, that is what it is. Moving on. You're looking at the overnight action, approximately 21 points. That's very low. That's actually average, which is low because we have had such high volatility in the past weeks and months. So kind of a weird over the weekend overnight action. Yeah, it is what it is. So going on with that, where do we have support resistance? 6,900 has kind of been the line in the sand. We get above 6,900, it's off to the races, retest the highs. 69.10, 69.18, 19, 27, 69.27. Those are your resistance numbers. Support, on the other hand, we have a little bit of confluence around 68.80, confluence around 68.72, 68.60, some confluence back down at 68.56. We're going to have to get below, I think, 68.50 before we can really say, oh, we're going down again. So there's your support and resistance numbers for today. Stock Traders Almanac is 66.7, 66.7% chance the market will be up today. That is from the historical calculation from the Stock Traders Almanac. Hope you guys have a great Monday. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels and trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.